So all these products here combined together make the most delicious Pollo Asado marinade, and I cannot wait to share these with you. So we're going to be making some delicious Mexican chicken, and it's an easy recipe for a marinade. It's for Pollo Asado. And what I have here in front of me is I have some coriander, and I have some chipotle chili pepper. I have kosher salt. I have cumin. I have achiote paste. I have minced garlic. I have smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. And I also have some oregano. I'm not sure if I missed anything. I think I did call everything out. Oh, and I have some black pepper. And so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna mix all these together, and then I will add the liquid next. So I will post this recipe, and you will have it available to you if you choose to make it. So first, let's get back to this recipe. So I'm gonna pour all my ingredients into this bowl, and I'm gonna first start off with half a cup of orange juice. Any type of orange juice will do. 1/2 cup of fresh squeezed lime juice, or you can get the bottle. I prefer fresh, it has just a nice taste. And you also want to use 1/3 cup olive oil. Okay, get that in there. And then you're going to go ahead and get all of your spices that I called out that were on this plate, and you want to put these all into this bowl and mix. So I'm going to go ahead and get this, and I'm going to just put them in this way. Get them all in there. Oh, that smells so good. I love all these spices. It smells so delicious. This recipe is a sweet and savory recipe, and the marinade is yummy. I don't know if you guys have ever had like El Pollo Loco. Sometimes they'll do like I think they marinate their chicken in orange juice. This one is orange juice with flair, Mexican flair. So this one's gonna be better and tastier. So next, this is what it will look like. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up with a whisk. And you wanna make sure you get everything mixed really well and blended, especially the achiote paste, because it kind of is a little lumpy, and you wanna make sure you break that down in here really well and get just everything mixed together. Okay, got that mixed together. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm using chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs, just as tasty. But the one thing I wanna tell you is if you're gonna use chicken thighs, you can actually marinate those up to 24 hours in your refrigerator before you cook them. But the thing about chicken breast is you can only marinate up to 12 hours max, because the chicken will start actually getting soggy and falling apart. Today I'm gonna marinate mine for 4 hours only. Okay, so let's get this marinade into my Ziploc bag. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do first is I'm gonna go ahead and put some chicken, and the chicken, don't forget, if you have chicken breast, make sure you pound all your chicken out and make sure they're evenly thick. So you want the thickness to be even on all the pieces of chicken. And what I like is when I pound my chicken, it kind of creates like a porous underlayment of the chicken, and it actually absorbs some of the marinade a lot better than if you didn't pound it, because the pounders typically have a flat side and they have kind of like a ribbed sharp side, and I use the sharp side on my chicken, especially when I'm gonna marinate. So let's get all this chicken put into these Ziplocs. And the beautiful thing is you can make some today and you can store it. This is really, you can freeze it. I'm not gonna freeze it. Again, if you have a big family like I do, you'll probably go through this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour half in to one bag right over here. So I'm gonna pour in half of my mixture in here. Okay, and then I'll save enough for this side. I have 2 bags and I want to reasonably get them evenly marinated here. So let's get all this wonderful, I don't want to lose any of that garlic. Beautiful. And so you zip them up, just like so. 1, 2, and for you, maybe 1. Again, I'll post the recipe. You'll be able to find that below. All the right quantities, amounts, the directions and everything. And so I will see you in 4 hours when we throw these on the grill. and they will be so good. I can't wait to share with you the final product. So yummy. Stay tuned. Whether your style is buffalo, Thai, Jamaican jerk, pollo asado, or otherwise drinking the calling with your grilled chicken dish can help those spices pop and provide a light and slightly sweet counterpoint to the heat without being too bitter or overpowering. Choose a double IPA. This type of beer will definitely bring forward all the spices in your asado. Cheers! Grill is heating up. It should be ready in about 2 to 3 more minutes. So my chicken has marinated for 4 hours. Time to put it inside the bowl. Look at all that wonderful marinade. So yummy. This chicken is gonna be fabulous. Let's get barbecuing. Once your grill has gotten to approximately 400 degrees, I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken on the grill on indirect heat for approximately 5 to 7 minutes per side. Next, I'm going to go ahead and close the lid so it can get right back up to temperature. I'll check back in 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flip my chicken. It's been about 6 minutes since I put them on, and I'm going to go ahead and turn them over one at a time and let them go ahead for another 6 or 7 minutes. But remember, your temperature, your internal temperature has to be 165. It's really important that you get your chicken up to 165. So let's check this chicken. Look at that color. Look at that beautiful char. This one I can move over here now away from direct heat. This one, let's get this one opened up a little bit more. This one we can take off direct heat. Oh, look at that beautiful, beautiful char. Oh, so delicious. Look at this chicken. It's just juicy. This marinade is just giving this chicken breast a delicious texture. Oh my God. Absolutely delicious. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and there'll be more recipes to come. Thanks again, and here's to tasting food.